Wow, just wow.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Mutombo and this is the 8th episode of Mutombo in Kenya, a series where I document my travels across Kenya. Let's pick up where we left off in the last episode. We arrived in Nairobi around 7:30 p.m. on a Monday evening, and thanks to MMTC Kenya and KE International, we checked in at one of the best 5-star hotels in Nairobi, the Sarova Stanley. Now, let's settle in and explore Nairobi. Good morning, beautiful people. My name is Mutombo. I'm a Cameroonian in Kenya. We are currently in Nairobi. So this is day one of a couple of days in Nairobi. So I'm experiencing Nairobi traffic for my very first time. It is quite hectic. I've just been enjoying the free roads of Western Kenya, you know, go to Kakamega, no traffic, go to Butere, no traffic or very little traffic, Kisumu, Eldoret, all these places did not really have a lot of traffic except, you know, at certain times of the day. But this is midday literally, and the traffic is a lot. But also we are currently in the central business district, so I guess that's why there's so much traffic. Anyway, we are on our way to pick up our friend Claire. We were together at the University of Cape Town. She was studying architecture, I was studying engineering, and yeah, we met in Cape Town. She's Kenyan and she lives in Nairobi, so we'll be spending a day with her today, and yeah, we'll see what we can get up to here in Nairobi.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up.
Eliza and Claire are literally wearing the same dress. What? And this was not planned at all.
Hi. So we've picked up the package. The package is Claire.
Hi.
We are on our way to Two Rivers Mall. I hear there is a lot to do at Two Rivers. Yeah, somebody told me it's one of the biggest malls in Nairobi. And also that it has a theme park.
Soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
I say, Claire, where can I eat some good Kenyan food?
Claire, where can I buy cheap nice dresses?
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Welcome to Two Rivers Mall. What? This place feels like money.
Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season with foundation.
Claire wants some boba.
Generations please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away.
Guys, we are so hungry. We're so hungry, but we can't find the food court here in Riverside. What's the name of this mall? Two Rivers. What are you guys looking there? Fast, let's go. It's extremely expensive. It is extremely expensive. It's an expensive. Alright, I guess we're going in. We finally found the food court. Yeah, I think we should get the 12 wings, 800 with extra fries. Yay, our food is here. Thank you, babes. Thank you, Lizzie.
What's that?
For nothing. So I don't like ketchup. Who wants my ketchup? So let's see. This is what we got.
You want one?
You don't eat spicy food. Not this. It's too spicy. Really? What? What? This is mild.
Mild?
This is a mild flavor. What? What are you talking about? So we are leaving the inns now. Yeah, Lizzie is lost. We have no idea where she is, but at this point she'll find us. I feel like the older you go, we're actually a bit tired. So we're going to drop Claire off and then we'll go for Eliza to pack because Lizzie is leaving Nairobi and Kenya tomorrow. She needs to go pack and everything. I desperately need more clothes with color because this black every day is not going to cut it. This is day 2 in Nairobi. Lizzie traveled back to Cameroon this morning, so we are going to continue the adventures on our own. I have a few errands to run in town today. I'm going to walk to the first location and then get a driver to take me to the second location because the second location is quite far. So I'm just going to a couple of jewelry shops. You know, while in this city, I was just like, when would I get this opportunity again? Let me just go into town and see what the jewelers here have in terms of gold bands. Because so I went down and I told the concierge that I am going out and I might need a taxi to bring me back. And he asked, are you walking? How are you getting to Moi Avenue? And I was like, yeah, I'm walking. And he said, madam, I would just advise you to take off your jewelry. You know, just leave your jewelry. Try to go with as little valuables as possible, especially if you're walking. Remove your watch. Oh, I don't think they'll be able to do anything with this watch if they take it from me. It's literally just a regular watch. But this was a gift from Vincent, so it has a lot of sentimental value. I leave my passport as well, because if my passport gets lost here, I don't know how I'm going to go home. I'll take my phone, because I'm not taking my camera. I'll be filming my phone.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people.
Hi. So far so good. No, thank you. So this thing is supposed to be on the 5th floor of this building in the middle of town. We are just on the 3rd floor. So yeah, let me go.
But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the day.
I'm walking back to the hotel. Oh, I think I've got all the information that I need. I don't know. Is this too risky? Is this? I don't know.
They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to
Alright, I'm back at the hotel. Quite frankly, I don't think, you know, all the removing of jewelry was necessary because Nairobi is just like any big city. You literally just have to have your wits about you. When I was out in the streets, I didn't feel particularly unsafe, but I just knew I had to be wary of my environment. It's the same thing like Douala, the same thing like Cape Town. You just have to have your wits about you. When I was out in the streets, I wasn't holding my bag like this. I held it like this, and this is how I hold my bag in Douala. All the major buildings in town have security guards. The place I was looking for, I couldn't really find it. It wasn't 100% accurate on Google Maps, but it was in the right area. When I looked around and I wasn't seeing it, I just approached one of the security guards, and he just took his time. He directed me. He said, okay, you're actually 2 buildings off. Just go a bit further down the street and you're going to see the building that you're looking for. Ask there. That's it. Okay, so it's true, I've spent just like 5 minutes in Nairobi, but here I am giving advice about safety in Nairobi. But what I'm going to say is that do the same thing that you do in any big city, the same thing that you do in New York City, the same thing you do in Douala, the same thing you do in Cape Town, Johannesburg. Just have your wits about you. Don't make it so obvious that you are new to the area, and walk with confidence. Don't be afraid to ask for directions. Like, obviously don't ask for directions in a way that makes it look like you are so vulnerable, but instead of saying maybe oh, I'm new to the area, I don't know Nairobi, and I'm looking for so and so place, maybe you should say, I know that this place is around here somewhere, but I can't seem to locate it, but I do know that it's around here somewhere, so that they know that you know what you're looking for. Hi, so I came down to work a bit. I'm just sorting out the footage that I've taken over the past few days. So, but my computer has died. But that happened just in time for my food, because my food just came. I ordered pork chops and rice. I'm excited to dig in and see what that's like. Oh, sorry. Nairobi, day 4. Wow, these Nairobi days are going by pretty fast. I think time flies faster in Nairobi. On this day, I had lots of errands to run, most of which I could not film. But I came across this hotel and I couldn't help capturing it because it just looked so splendid. I also wanted to try out one of the cakes at Arts Cafe, so I grabbed one before heading back to the hotel. Anyway, today's excitement begins in the evening when I caught up with my friend William. Nairobi at night. Will, say hi to my people.
What's up, bros? Welcome to Nairobi. I wake up, I go ball.
Thank you. Guys, I'll explain to you who Will is very soon. But
that guy.
Yes, this guy. Yeah. All this sound is coming from nightclubs.
Yeah.
Where are the nightclubs?
There's one here, there's one on top of us here.
Oh wow.
Oh, what's the call? Need a 10, never fall.
Alright guys, this is where we found ourselves. Tell us about this fish and chips.
Yeah, so this is one of our famous local fast foods. Whenever you come to Nairobi, you have to try it. It's called the Vada Fish and Chips.
Okay.
So let's get in and enjoy some fries.
Alright.
Keep it 10, beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, yeah. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring. Double cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no shit. I get to it up in my seat. Shorties how chain when the money.
The matatus here are so beautiful.
A lot of street graffiti. They have been drawn all types of famous people, artists, celebrities, influencers.
I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parrot now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm dead.
Hi guys, I'm back in my hotel room. So I'm going to go ahead and taste the acclaimed chips and chicken. This is supposed to be really good. Sorry about the angle, but yeah, he wrapped it several times. Now this is the real Nairobi street food. There's some chicken here and then there's some chips. Unfortunately, I don't have better presentation for you, so you're just gonna have to see. Look at this like this. This is the chicken. Oh, thank you for this meal. Alright, let me taste this. That's some good chicken. So this tastes very similar to lots of the chicken and chips that I've had back in Cameroon. Except that one thing that I've noticed about Kenyan food, to my surprise, it is not spicy at all. Kenyan food is really not spicy. While I eat, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys how I know Will. So my very first boss, literally the very first person to interview me for a job and say, you're hired. He was a Kenyan expatriate, and that literally just launched my entire career. His name is Eric. So being my boss, you know, from time to time, I would see him call his family back home because he was Kenyan and he was living in Cameroon. I would see him call his family back home, and at some point he introduced me to his younger brother over the phone. You know, this is my brother William. He's studying in Malaysia, and I was like, cool, wow, nice to meet you, William. And we just got friendly, and I honestly never ever thought in my entire life that we would ever get the chance to meet. At that point, I had never even left Cameroon, so the whole idea of even traveling, it was just something that felt a bit very far-fetched to me. I mean, obviously, I knew that someday I'm going to travel. But quite honestly, sometimes someday is no day. So fast forward 7 years later, everything happens the way it happens. I start my YouTube channel. My amazing hosts, MMTC and KE International, discover me online and bring me to Kenya. I don't even know why I'm holding this fork at this point because I'm not using it. I literally just called Will, like, guy, we need to meet. Like, how far? And we were able to meet today. Coincidentally, he doesn't even live in Nairobi full time, so, and I'm leaving Nairobi tomorrow, so it's really a blessing that we were able to meet today. Like, thank you, Will. Thank you, Eric. I'm really enjoying my chicken. So, and that's the story of Will. Anyway, about this chicken, my verdict is something that is really familiar. I've definitely had chicken like this back in Cameroon, so. Hi guys, so today is my last day in Nairobi. We are actually going to Mombasa later today by train. So yeah, I'm just here with the team at 3D. I'm going to show you around a bit. They basically have furnished and serviced apartments. So in the restaurants here at 3D, they sell real Kenyan food. You guys know I've been craving Kenyan food. I've been wanting to taste, you know, traditional Kenyan food, not foreign food in Kenya. So now I have the opportunity. I've already had ugali, chapati, chips and chicken. So now I'm going to try something else. I'm not sure yet because I haven't seen the menu, but this is definitely one of the things that I wanted to do before leaving Nairobi. So if you want traditional Kenyan food, the restaurants at 3D is the place. Yeah, I'm about to go into Simba restaurant. There it is.
Get through to you.
Brown ugali, white ugali,
chicken charcoal grill, fish charcoal grill.
I had this yesterday, dry fried chicken.
This one, I'll show you how we the fish right now. This is kunde.
Kunde.
Yeah.
Chapati. In Cameroon, we eat a lot of hot food, so I don't know if this chili will do anything to me.
This one has a combination of lemon, onions, and then the green chili. And this one is just a dry.
Okay, dry chili. Miranda to be eaten with ugali. It's just like okra.
This is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you
I love chapati.
love you, I will love you.
Putting some fish.
The queen.
Wrap it up.
Take you to a place you've never been before.
Let me try the so-called tear gas. Okay, it's hot. Hi, we are rushing to catch the train to Mombasa right now. The train leaves in like 25 minutes. We are 20 minutes away from the terminal. So I don't know. Anyway, we've just gotten onto the express highway. So hopefully this buys us about maybe 10 more minutes. After eating, we just rushed back to the hotel, packed, checked out, and here we are. The adventure never stops.
Once we arrive, just hold your bags and we run.
What do you think? Did we make it in time for the train?